Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you some AI tools you can use instead of ChatGPT. Are you looking to expand your AI repertoire? Watch this video and stay tuned. Alright, so the first AI tool is called Rewind AI. It's a really cool search engine AI that can help you find even the things you forgot. It tracks everything you do and makes a search engine for your life. The second AI tool is viralviews.co. It's an AI tool that basically tells you what is trending in the world today so you can follow them. This will allow people to know what is trending in your niche at this exact moment. Using this AI tool will help you be more efficient in creating more content that is not only in your niche but up to date as well. The last AI tool we'll show you today is called Tome.app. It can do a variety of things. It can help you create presentations and make a living doing these things. This makes PowerPoint outdated and obsolete. You can basically tell it to do a presentation on whatever topic and it does that for you. It highlights important points of your presentation. It emphasizes speaking points and a lot more, which makes life easier whether you're a student or a businessman. And that's it. That's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.